Welcome to Health Solutions. Please like, share, and subscribe.
Hi guys, today I'm going to show a spice mix which most of all would have always thought to make but were never able to do so. Well, I'm talking about oregano spice mix used by Domino's. I always wondered how it was made and tasted so perfect, and I finally cracked the recipe after numerous trials and errors. So hereby I present you the recipe to make Domino's oregano spice mix. So let's start making the spice mix by taking 1 tablespoon each of oregano herb, garlic seasoning powder and salt in a bowl. Now add half tablespoon each of crushed black pepper, red chili flakes and dried basil herbs. Mix all these ingredients well and our Domino's oregano spice mix is ready. Is it ready? No, not at the moment. Well, you would be thinking the actual Domino's mix looks so blended and this mix does not have that look. So let's go forward and give it the look which makes it the famous Domino's oregano spice mix. By the way, I also have a second channel named Wikipedia wherein you can find videos in Hindi. So do visit and subscribe. Now to give that look, just add half tablespoon of water to the spices. Mix well and then grind them with a mortar and pestle. These two steps are important as a bit of moisture and grinding blends all the spices well and brings them together. I know we have added water to the spices and you may think it can spoil and not last long. Well, I do have a solution to that as well, which is going to be the last important step of this recipe. Just micro the mix for a minute. That's right, micro it to let the water evaporate. This will solve the concern and give you that perfect sprinkling texture. And this makes our Domino's spice mix absolutely ready. The steps to make this mix are simple, but the ingredients and their measurements play a crucial role. So do not skip any of them and do ensure to take exact quantity as shown. Also refrigerate this mix in an airtight container for better shelf life. Now I'm going to show you both, the one that I made and the Domino's oregano mix. The color, texture and most importantly the taste are indistinguishable and you'll have to try it to believe it. Also, it does not contain any artificial preservatives and flavors. Hope you like this recipe. Do share your experience on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter or Instagram by subscribing and following my channel. And I will see you soon with a new video. Till then, cook smart. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.